In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build and use a join formula in your Smartsheet project sheet. First, make sure you're logged into Smartsheet and open your main project sheet. This is the grid view where you see all your columns and rows for tasks, dates, owners, and so on. Once your project sheet is open, we're going to start by preparing the column that will hold our formula results. Look toward the top of your sheet and click on the column header that's highlighted on your screen. This is the column where we want our join formula to live. When you click that header, a menu will appear that lets you change the column properties. Click the highlighted option again to open the column type settings. From the list of column types, choose Text, Number. This ensures the column can store the text output from the join formula, even if the formula is combining numbers or dates. After selecting Text Number, click Apply to save that change. Your column is now ready to hold the formula results. Next, we'll add the actual formula. Click on the highlighted cell or formula area in that same column. Then, click on the highlighted area that opens the formula helper and choose the Formulas section. This is where Smartsheet lists available functions you can use. Within the formula helper, click into the highlighted search field and start typing the name of the function you want to use. In this case, type join. When join appears in the list of functions, click on join to select it. This will insert the join function structure into your formula bar so you can define exactly what you want to combine. Now, we'll fill in the arguments for the join function. Click on the next highlighted area in the formula where Smartsheet is expecting input and type in the first reference or range you want to join. For example, this could be a range of cells in a single column or multiple values that you want to bring together into one cell. Click on the following highlighted part of the formula and type in the delimiter you want to use, such as a comma and a space, or a dash. This tells Smartsheet how to separate each joined value. If there are additional highlighted sections to configure, click each one and type the appropriate references or options, following the join syntax shown on screen. Once your join formula is complete, click Apply to confirm it. You'll see the result populate in that cell, and then you can copy or fill it down the column if needed. Finally, click the highlighted areas near the top or side of your sheet to exit the formula helper and return to your normal grid view. Your column is now configured as text, number, your join formula is in place, and your project sheet is ready to use with dynamic combined information.